Now, I know what you're all thinking. John, weren't you just talking in the last episode about changing this to something else? Well, yes, as a matter of fact, I did say that. However, as it turns out, I don't have all the pieces I need. So, for the time being, I gotta hook this thing back up. And, yeah, that does burn my toast, but it is what it is. Mahogany. Ambrosia maple. Let's see, what else do I have? Walnut. Surely we can make some coasters out of this. So let's make it happen. Alright, I think we can work with that. Let's just go ahead and mill it. Next up is a little bit of planing, and then we can glue this block together. I do want to talk a minute about the dust collection. I did say that this trash can will be going away, as well as the little cyclone separator red bullet thing on top, being replaced, of course, by the Dust Deputy XL. I'm sorry, Super Dust Deputy XL. Super! And that's going to be mounted on top of this. This is it's a plastic 55-gallon drum that I bought off of Facebook Marketplace. And its original purpose was to transport large quantities of Mountain Dew. And I had to clean that little bit of residue out of the bottom. Anyway, it's all a single formed piece, meaning the lid was all integral to the actual drum. And so I had to cut it out. And then I made this lid, which is 2 layers of 3/4 inch plywood. One circle is just big enough to fit inside. And I just caught a whiff of the Mountain Dew, meaning I didn't quite get it clean enough. But anyway, I glued and screwed a larger circle on top of that, and so it forms a nice lid. I'll put weather stripping on the bottom and then some way to latch it down. But other than that, it should be good. The suction of the dust, the suction from the dust collector should draw it pretty well tight down, but you just never know. Alright, we got some good and tight faces here. all this needs is some glue and some clamps. Alright, these coasters here from the last episode have been sanded all the way up to 320. I cleaned them with mineral spirits and then let them completely dry. They're now devoid of any kind of dust, so I just need to put the first coat of finish on it. All right, there's our center hole, and there's the lingering smell of Mountain Dew. I don't know how long that's gonna last. And so all I gotta do is I've already marked my hole locations for the bolts to attach the dust deputy, so I just gotta drill those out, put the weather seal gasket on there, and bolt it in place. Alright, further development. Put an elbow there. So now it's not kinking like it was before. And that's the same. And then I tape that joint there. And we are golden. I just did a test. Airtight-ish. Let's not be overly optimistic. Yeah. Suction has been improved vastly.